The time has come. We have to start going through my closet because I am less than 90 days until I leave for college. Welcome back, or welcome to Cup of Jesus. So in today's video, as I'm sure you could tell, we are going through my closet today, and I don't know, I'm like kind of not nervous, but I've been putting this off for a long time because my closet right now is an explosion because I never do laundry. Like, it is the worst thing in my opinion ever. I just hate doing laundry. But I need to clean my closet and start donating and getting rid of stuff and figuring out what's actually going to go to school with me. And I'm going to Word of Life, which is a Bible college. So we have very biblical rules for clothes. So a lot of clothes that I still have from middle school, and some of them I don't ever wear, but I just never get rid of them. But they're like crop tops or spaghetti straps or stuff like that. So we have to go through and get rid of everything. And I'm like, okay, but I'm gonna video this. So for two reasons: one, to keep me motivated to actually do it all, and two, because I'm videoing on my phone, so I can't actually touch my phone in between. I'm debating if I want to put on music or a movie, but both could go wrong. But without further ado, let's get into this crazy mess.
Oh my goodness. This is all dirty laundry, and then that's all clean laundry. So ignore the holes in the walls. I don't even know how those got there, but they've been there my whole life. So I have to go through all my dresses, all of those clothes, and wait, here you go. These are all my clothes too, and so are those. And then all this is just like miscellaneous stuff. This is all perfume that I never use. Random arts drawer. Oh my goodness. And this is really the miscellaneous corner of, I think that's stuff down there from that I got for Christmas, I'm pretty sure. And then my hoop skirt, which was for like a Renaissance dance we did. This is gonna take so long.
Finished. We did my whole closet top to bottom, and I am so thankful that it's done. It honestly wasn't that bad because I had a bit of motivation today, but I'm just grateful that it's done with. I probably could have gotten rid of a little bit more, but I'm sure by the time I actually leave, I'll have narrowed it down even more. But for this haul, we did pretty good because I have a huge black trash bag full, and I'll show the clip so you guys can see it. That thing is so heavy. My goodness. I'm sure I'm gonna do more videos like this coming up because I still need to go through my makeup drawer, hair stuff, random miscellaneous drawer, glass case, all kinds of stuff that has to be done before I leave for school, plus a packing video. So we've got a bit, but I'm very happy with today's results, and we got my room cleaned, so that was also a plus. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a like and subscribe because it doesn't cost money. And yeah, puts a smile on my face. And I will see you guys in the next Cup of Jesus video. Bye!